Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Not much. Remember this car?
Yeah.
Well, Cams sent me all the valve train. The
Yep.
rocker arms, the push rods, the cam, the lifters,
It was
everything.
a while ago, yeah.
It was a while ago. So I finally got all the parts in. I put 2 push rods in, right? Made sure they were the right length, remember, with the tool.
Oh, yeah.
So I used that, so I got the right size push rods, brand new. There's one more thing I do have to check though, because don't forget, this is all roller.
That's why we took the engine back apart.
That's
make
why
it roller.
right.
Yep.
So I want to see where the wheel is hitting the valve stem.
Right.
So I just need to check that, but I'm sure it's fine.
Why, you know how to do that? To check where the wheel and the valve come together?
Of course, you take the rock arms off, you get a Sharpie, you do the top of the valve, you color it in, put the rock arms back on,
Right.
do 2 full turns of the engine, take these back off, and then you'll see where these are hitting. So the roller doesn't just hit the top of the valve in one spot. At halfway open, right?
Of the rocker
of
arm.
the rocker arm.
Let's say of the cam.
Okay.
It's a little hard to explain, believe it or not. When this is at half reach, when the cam pushes the push rod, that pushes the rocker arm, that pushes the valve. Did I get that right? Yeah, that's it.
So when the rocker arm is open halfway, that's when it's at its full reach.
Gotcha.
So
when it's all the way open
when it's
and all the way closed.
When all the way closed, it's on one half, and then it keeps.
So you're saying this? Let's say this is the rocker molding for his promotional truck or whatever you want to call it. The distance between here and this line that I'm making here is only this big. But look at the distance as I push this down. It comes all the way out here.
Right.
And then it comes back to here, let's say. And then it goes. So the wheel actually travels a little bit.
On the top of the valve.
That's right.
So that's
pretty much what you're going to check.
That's pretty much what I'm going to check.
With the color crayon.
The Sharpie.
Sharpie. All right, so knock all this out and check it out.
Yeah, I'm actually going to put the push rods, all the rest of the push rods in on this side of the engine, and that side of the engine, I'm going to do the same thing. Right. So how'd you make out on this?
Good.
Show me, dude.
Oh, okay. You meant more?
You can't leave me hanging like that.
I painted your rocker molding, so bada bing. Bada bang, I did everything else. We're getting there. So we got the harness.
Excuse me, cameraman.
We got the harness here. What are you doing? What is this thing? What are you scooting around? I just realized. What are you sitting on? Kicker! Woo!
Yeah, well, you should sit on it. It's really comfortable.
That's what I'm talking about.
Sit on it.
Nice. Is it really?
Sit on it.
This is nice. Does it roll nice?
Don't hit anything.
You motherfucker. Oh! Shut up! Stop laughing! Why are you laughing? You're always laughing, right? Always laughing. It's because my concrete has cracks in the ground.
Well, get up! You look like an idiot!
Well, I caught myself on that one. That thing is really comfortable. You know what I was using before? Let's see, which one's better? What's better? Ready?
Here, I'm going to tighten these back up because we're actually going to do it now.
With this hard ass, no pun intended, we're sitting on. Yeah, that's definitely a lot better.
So, I'm going to stick with this one, you're going to stick with that one.
Oh, we were talking about the inside of the truck.
Oh, yeah.
Wheel yourself over, Stephen Hawking. Let's go.
Who?
The guy that knew where the end of the universe was and, you know, with the planets and stuff. Don't worry about it. Anyway, look. Hold that thought. Right.
You have to push me from here to there and back. I said and back. How stupid did that look?
And then you got the rest
Wait, hold
of it.
on. Did you make a squishy with the foam?
I put foam. I did. I put foam so it's comfortable for your feet because you're not driving this truck with shoes on. So look, then you got, this is the harness, the wiring harness.
Okay. Yeah, for the kicker.
For the medio center, you got this. You got this, all the wire. Look at all that.
Yeah.
All different stuff.
I see.
Look.
You said the 3 blind mice.
Yeah. You got remote, video input. Damn. Look at all this. This This is for your rear speakers.
Why? What's
RGB. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I said, yo, what's it? Where's
Yo, SXM. I'm not sure what that is either. And then it's got all this other speakers and radios.
Which is probably going to be the main
Here,
thing.
front
that we're gonna
left
be
amp. You got dimmer. You got all kinds of cool
do we
stuff.
have
Look
to
at
use
this.
an amp for this?
Amp is built in here, and it's actually built into the woofer.
The woofer.
Woofer. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they gave you like a
Oh
box.
man, you got the review mirror in there?
Damn, baby! When I look in the mirror, I know if I'm gonna get younger by the day or whatever. This is the can't wait for tomorrow mirror. You know why?
Because you get
when
better
you're
looking
looking at it-
by the day.
Let me finish! I was doing something different.
3 times this year.
Because when you look at it, it looks like you're gonna get better and better looking by the day. You ruined it!
Why are you going to get better and better looking by the day? Because you're really ugly right
All right,
now.
Stephen Hawking with his chair.
I'm kidding.
Watch the rocker. When you have time, put the shifter in, put your chrome
Yes.
the bottom of
Definitely.
it, and we're gonna make floor mats because it's just good to have. Pretty sharp, huh? Looks like a cave.
Yeah, and basically after that, the truck is done. Wheels,
Well, anyway,
tires.
listen. Hold on. Come on, let's show me what you mean with the marker. Okay?
So see how that's colored in?
Now you go like this. You put everything back together.
Just like so.
Now wait a minute. Make sure your push rods are in pushing position. Hold on a second, because these go a certain way. Okay, ready? Snug them up pretty nicely.
Look at this. It's everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah,
let me see this.
I did
You
it.
snugged them up nicely.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Let's do another turn. Okay. Take them back off. All right. Now, if you get down here, you can see right where it is. Can you see that?
Not exactly in the middle. It's a little
It's
lower.
not supposed to be. It's supposed to be right there. That's exactly,
Right.
that is the perfect setup for this setup of an engine.
Go get the other push rods and we'll put them in now.
Go. How many valves on a V8? Old school.
10!
How many valves on a V8 in old school? Old school engines. Yeah. So now, tighten everything up, do the other side the same way. All right? And then,
Faster! 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 Faster!
no, because the engine's there.
Do it over there.
Now, Fungal, shut up! I don't want to do nothing over there.
No, you gotta do faster over there. Quick, real quick.
Kid drives me crazy.
Real quick. No,
Taking over the
quick.
world.
You gotta